Welcome to Captain America Crypto, coming to you with Zebec. We're going to get through this disclaimer and we're going to get right onto the charts. Hope everybody had a wonderful Sunday, just getting back from church. Now we're going to cover the charts on Zebec. Let's see, Zebec is sitting at a price of 0.002022, down 3.30% on the day. So, want to come ZBCN and tell you is sitting at a level right now that decides everything. This is either where the price is going to bounce hard or the support finally gives way. And if you're holding Zebec, you need to see this chart before your next move. Zoom out. ZBCN is not trending, it's range bound. That tells us one thing. The market is loading energy. Big moves don't start with hype. They start with boring price action. And it's been boring a little bit, ain't it? And I want to get to the support zone, the green zone right here around the 00190 to the 00195. And I'll show you that on the chart right here. It's this green area right here. This green area right here. I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Get back over. It's the most important level on the chart. Every time price comes here, buyers step in. Is what that's telling you. That's the green range right there. And this tells us, and that tells us demand exists. This is where smart money defends. Lose this. If we lose this level, you can expect a fast move lower. And we got a resistance zone between 300 and 4. Not 300. Above price, it's 00220 and 00225. And that's an area where it's a lot of heavy resistance at. And the prices, on the chart, if you can look there at the chart, up here, let me move it down. This is where it's been getting rejected a lot. Here, well, back over here on February the 2nd, February the 8th, the 14th, the 21st, and the 25th. We've been getting rejections there. Until this breaks with volume, ZBCN is going to stay range bound. You look at the volume, it's quiet, and that's important. Quiet volume plus sideways price equals accumulation or indecision. It just be range bound. This is where impatient traders get chopped up. We got a couple scenarios we can pull from this. Scenario one is bounce, support holds, higher low forms, and we push towards resistance again. In scenario two, range continues, chop between the support and resistance, like we've been doing, and no direction yet. And the third one we don't want to see is a breakdown. Support fails, stops get hit, fast downside move. And I want to bring you a smart money message, if you listen, is retail sales at support. Smart money buys when fear is quiet. And, ZBCN is not bullish yet, but it's also not broken. This is a decision zone. So I'm not telling you to panic sell, don't panic sell. So, and even before you panic sell, watch these levels I just brought to you. And if you're bullish on ZBCN, comment below whether you're bullish, bearish, or waiting on ZBCN. And if you like the content and you want, real chart breakdowns, not no hype, because I don't believe in pushing no hype, just comment. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be glad to have you. We like bringing this content to you. But you can see overall on this 4-hour chart, we got rejected at the 30-day and the 7-day VWAB right here, and we come down. We could come back down, like I say, pick up some support and go back up and try to get above this 30-day and the 7-day VWAB. If we can get above that and hold that as a level of support, we can move on up to at this resistance and see if we can finally break. It's harder to break a ceiling, but if you keep hitting it hard enough, we'll get through it after a while. But to get through this resistance, we need some more volume to come in. We need to maintain some high volume to get through this resistance. So if you like the content, I'm going to cut it short there. We've been on here 6 minutes and 20 seconds. I am going to play the intro on the way out. If you like it, you can stay and listen to it. But on to the next one. God bless you. Until then, later. Let's go.